There you go. Hi guys, good morning. So we're here in Chiang Mai and I'm taking Chiang Mai's signature breakfast. Yummy, it's hot though. Kain po. Today is a very big day for us. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is a big day.
Today we're gonna see the elephant. And go in a mountain.
So we have to eat breakfast, okay? Yeah.
And we also have to eat in the car.
Hi guys! Magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. For today's episode, punta naman po tayo ng Chiang Mai, Thailand. Alam niyo po ba na ito ang aming bucket list, ang makapunta sa Elephant Sanctuary. Bago kami makapunta doon, sinundo nila kami sa hotel na aming pinag-iistayan at mahigit isang oras ang aming nilakbay papunta dito sa sanctuary dahil ito ay nasa bundok at tagong lugar.
Dogs!
Oh, look, guys! There's another pig! Yay!
These are baby pigs. Chickens!
United States. Luciano. United States.
Elephant is playing with its food.
That's a baby elephant, I think. Hello!
They're playing with the food. The baby elephant.
Yeah.
Come back to have freedom, yeah. Stop working, yeah. The elephant come here before they work another place. They carry tree, carry the tree before, yeah. They come here already 10 years ago. Elephant be happy and freedom, yeah. No working, no riding, yeah. Nothing to do, just a happy life, freedom, yeah. Just a day, just hanging around. At night, we let them free, go to the jungle and sleep in the jungle. Morning, they come to see us, yeah.
Can I do that too?
Eat banana and sugar cane. Yeah. So all totally we have 5 elephants altogether. Yeah. We have 4 female and 1 male. So today we're going to see the 4 female. Because the 4 female more more freely. Yeah. So you have to feed that, right?
How many banana that elephant can eat?
A lot, yeah.
Ah.
A lot, yeah. One banana.
Oh, very nice.
That's only for chopping off the banana.
Yes.
Yeah, banana.
We don't play on the knife, okay, Salvatore?
That's only banana knife.
Yeah, banana knife.
It's not actually a sharp knife.
Is there a front or back?
Yeah, and either way, yeah, like that one.
Like a top, right? No lock. Yeah, you can keep it in the front. Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Lots of banana. Tatay, are you sure you're not elephant? Because you like banana as well.
People giant elephant.
Is it right side up?
Yeah.
This is
It's like that, Tatay.
we just leave it
Keep
alone.
Whoa. How many elephants we gonna feed today?
4 elephants.
4 elephants. Did they have a baby elephant?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Soon,
Maybe another 1 year more left before we got one planet.
Oh, and one is pregnant. We can come back next year,
Yeah,
Tatay.
later you can see baby elephant.
You can see the baby elephant. We love baby elephant.
Very beautiful.
You want to try? Yeah.
You want to eat banana?
No?
Try, yeah.
Yum.
Mango banana, you put, yeah. Sweet.
Tatay likes banana. Tay, you want to try?
Yeah. Try.
I need it after you.
Yeah. Like it.
It's for you. Don't be shy.
Try. Everybody, jungle banana for energy.
Can I try?
Yeah, try,
Try.
yeah. Yeah, so try.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
Salvatore, you want banana? I know you likes it.
Want banana? No?
Come. Ayan nga guys, pinuno namin ng bamboo at saging ang basket para sa mga elepante. 5 elepante po ang papakainin namin today. At sobrang excited na ang mga bata, sila ay nag-volunteer na buhatin. Hindi naman po masyadong mabigat itong bamboo na to. Sugar cane pala, not bamboo. Ano ba yan?
Teenager.
Those
And,
are
the
teenagers.
sister, right? Sister. Why she's named Namole, yeah?
Namule?
Namole, she's younger. She's 18 years old.
18.
Yeah. And she's sister older 1 year. She's Namutin.
Namutin.
This 19, yeah? 19, 18, the sister. The daddy, this the mother. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Number 3, she's named Mulapo. Mulapo is second order. She's 49 years old.
49.
Yeah. And then the last one, number 4, is grandma.
Grandma?
She's named Miss Potato.
Potato.
And she's 55 years old.
Like potato.
Grandma, right? Yeah.
Like
From Miss Potato, right?
I like potato. He likes
Yeah,
potato?
Miss Potato. 55. Mulapo. Yeah. Mula Munting, right? Everybody now. I show you how to feed elephant right now. Look at me. Yeah, I show you. After you. Second, put your hands up. Say bone. And put it in the mouth. And the third one, banana behind you, left hand side. Behind. Go closer. And right hand side, cover the trunk. Yes. Don't be afraid. Don't be scary. Elephant vegetarian.
Oh, he's coming.
He's
coming.
By the way
Grandma's
guys,
coming.
elephants can live to 65 to 70 years
Now
old.
I show you how to feed a grandma, yeah? Everybody, when you come to feed a grandma, you have to stay the left side because right side she blind, yeah?
Oh,
You gotta
okay.
stand in here, say bon bon, like this. In the mouth, right? Yeah, say bon bon.
Bonbon.
Yeah. More easy, yeah?
Ang ganda ng mukha ni Granny Elephant guys. Tingnan nyo, ang amo. Pag tumitingin siya sa akin, parang nakikita ko na yung soul niya. Yung bang nababasa ko siya. Ang bait niyang tingnan talaga. At ayan na nga guys, game na game ang ating Momo na magpakain ng elephant. Medyo natatakot pa siya sa simula pero later on, ayan, tinulungan na siya nitong German naming naging kaibigan din namin sila. Ito, ayan, magpapakain daw sila. Alam niyo ba guys, itong nasa unahan na elepante, siya ay buntis. Ayan, nakikita nyo, ang laki ng tiyan niya, di ba? Sabi nila, manganganak daw yan this year. Kaya, hopefully, malay nyo makabalik kami at makakita kami ng baby elephants. Ang saya nun, guys. Gutom na gutom si Mama Elephant, oh. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Good job, Salvatore. Takot na takot pa rin siya. Oh, alam niyo ba, guys, ang paborito namin bukod sa dog is elephant. Yan, paborito naming hayop yan. Dahil napaka-majestic nila at matalino. Alam niyo ba guys na ang trunk ng elepante can hold 8 liters of water. Wow! Ang dami na nun! Ang ilaw ng elepante ay sensory expert. They can smell the water in 19 kilometers away. Wow! Pambihira! At syempre, ginagamit din nila ang kanilang ilong bilang communication device. Pag sila ay gustong magtawag, syempre, binoblow lang nila yung kanilang ilong na parang trumpet. Alam niyo ba na ang mama elephant ay use their trunk to comport the offspring? That their trunk provide gentle stroke on the calf, neck, and shoulder, and are often also wrapped around the baby elephant's belly or back leg. That's their way to protect their baby to predator. Alam niyo ba ang kaibahan ng Asian elephant and African elephant? Ang African elephant ay nakababa lang po ang kanilang mga trunk. Ang Asian elephant ay usually lagi nila itong itinataas like that.
Wow!
Come.
Enjoy.
Yeah. For you can feed a pigeon for you.
Come on.
Alam niyo ba guys, nung maliit pa si Sean, wish niya talagang makakita ng elephant at maalagaan ito. Naalala ko tuloy si Dumbo the elephant. Favorite niya yun.
Yeah, you can more close.
Bonbon.
O diba guys, pwede na akong maging caretaker ng elephant. Ang saya! Another trivia! Alam niyo ba guys, ang elepante gusto nila na gumugulong sila sa putikan kasi ito ay nagsisilbing sunblock at insect repellent sa kanilang mga balat.
Is she the one who's pregnant?
Yes.
Okay.
By the way guys, itong elepante kanina na nilalagyan ko ng sunblock, binasa niya ako. Yung hose na nasa bibig niya, sinaboy niya buong sa akin. Kaloka ka, mama elephant!
Nina, not in the tail. Come here.
They're coming to the other one.
More water. 1, 2, 3. More. Come. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stay here. Okay, stay careful, rock. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, come on.
Ang saya guys, nag-enjoy talaga kami sa pagpapaligo sa mga elepante. You should try this guys, talagang mag-e-enjoy ang mga anak nyo. Ayan, alam nyo ba guys, itong elepanteng ito na tumayo, ito, ang laki ng tae. Nag-alisan kami, kami ng tawanan dyan. Sobrang naughty nitong mama elephant na to talaga. At di lang yun guys, alam nyo bang kumuha siya ng tubig sa pamamagitan ng kanyang ilong at binasa kaming lahat. Napaka-naughty niya guys, pero nakakatuwa siya. Even though she's pregnant, napaka-jolly pa rin ng kanyang personality. At ayan nga, hihiga na naman siya at gusto niya daw minamasahe siya. O diba? Talagang gusto niya lang, siya lang ang kanyang attention namin, nasa kanya lang. Malinaw po ang tubig kanina. Kaya lang po, biglang umulan, kaya po ganyan na ang kulay. Pero kanina po, napakalinaw ang kwento sa akin ni Kuya, during pandemic daw, hirap na hirap daw po sila dahil hindi nila alam kung paano aalagaan ng mga elepante. At least daw po, ang elepante is self-sufficient. Pero sila daw po nahirapan dahil may mga pamilya sila. Ngayon daw po, sila ay natutuwa dahil dumadami na ang mga turista na bumibisita sa sanctuary ng elepante. At nabibigyan na rin po sila ng mga ang waterfalls. Although napakahabang lakaran na naman to, pero okay lang po. Halos madulas-dulas kami, pero nakasurvive naman po kami. Dahil nga hindi nila kami pinagsuot ng yung mga shoes na pang-hike. Hindi rin kasi nila inaasahan na uulam that day.
Nabutan kami ng ulan habang kami ay umaakyat sa bundok. Beautiful. Grandma's hungry.
Ngayon naman po ay pababa na po kami ng bundok at kami ay magbabamboo rafting. Ayan. At ngayon makikita nyo ang kagandahan ng Chiang Mai. Ito nga pala guys ay napakalamig po dito. Pero nung kami nagpunta ay summer kaya medyo maalinsangan na po at bigla pong umulan. Pero okay naman po dahil lumamig-lamig ang panahon. Guys, ang Chiang Mai nga pala ay nasa north part ng Thailand. Sabi nga nila ito ay parang Baguio ng Pilipinas kasi malamig daw po dito dahil nga ito ay nasa itaas. Ayan nga guys, nakasakay na kami ng bamboo at inabangan nila kami kung saan kami sa baba ng river. Ayan, alam niyo ba guys, napakaganda nito dahil marami pa po kaming elephant sanctuary na nakita at nandoon lang po ang mga elepante sa gilid ng ilog. Most of them are babies and mama kaya nakaka-enjoy po silang tingnan. O yan si Kuya, nag-enjoy po siya at pagod na. Kaya ito naman si Salvatore, nakahiga na rin po. Basang-basa po kami dyan para kami mga sisiw na basang-basa. Pero okay lang po, worth it naman ang one day naming pag-explore sa jungle with the elephants. Alright guys, sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aming mini vlog. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga suporta at shoutout sa aking mga new followers. Ciao guys! Arrivederci!